So in Blaenau Gwent, we're unique in Wales in that we're hosted by the local housing association. At the core of our mission is to make sure that every resident in Blaenau Gwent has fair access to healthy and affordable food. So we're working really hard in the community to build on community initiatives that are happening across the borough to amplify the good work that they're doing. So we've got some really exciting projects like here at Llanhilleth Miners Institute. They've transitioned from emergency food support to really getting to how people can cook and learn about food and learning about what constitutes a nutritious and balanced diet.
We couldn't have done half the work at the Institute if it wasn't for the Blaenau Gwent Food Partnership. I've been able to introduce them to quality, fresh food that they can cook for the entire family on a budget. I think it's an important role.
These sorts of things are happening all across the borough. So we've got Sahawi Hill Woodlands who have gone from strength to strength, from being a woodland management group to starting their own community allotments, teaching children where their food comes from, most importantly how to enjoy it.
This is slow food. You've got to grow it, you've got to clean it, and then you've got to cook it and make it into something really tasty. I'm Susie Arnold. I'm a director of Sahawi Hill Woodlands, where we operate all our bits and pieces that we do, the holistic stuff we do from here. The initial raised beds, all the soil, all the seeds and everything like that. All this would not exist without the food partnership. You can't do this sort of thing on your own. So the funding is crucial, and I've been amazed at the other projects that are going on as well. It's like a little community, the food partnership as well, which is really good.
Working with children is really important, and giving children the best start in life is key to that. And we've got such a strong partnership and relationship with Flying Start. We've been able to collaborate with them on delivering key goals that we're both working towards.
Access to high quality and nutritious food is a real issue. For some families, it's actually a luxury to have healthy eating. Engaging in food, activity, nutrition is something that all of our family support workers are really passionate about, because everybody needs to eat, don't they? So working in partnership with Chris and the Food Partnership team, we were able to provide training around the Nutritional Skills for Life programme to enable all of our practitioners to be suitably trained in order to give the correct messages to families, which in turn will hopefully change their eating habits, allow them to make healthier choices, and being aware of the implications of those choices is fundamental for our families moving forward.
I came into this job passionate about food, ingredients, how to cook, where food comes from, but my work embedded in the community has really made me passionate about the power of being part of this social movement, seeing all the good work going on the ground and being part of that change.